So we're going to go ahead and put this bumper on before we head back up to northern Arizona. Check out these precision brackets though. I mean, look at the detail. And they're coated with a signature Iron Bull coating. Pretty trick, folks. Stand by, we're going to get this bumper on. Like a glove. Now we can throw that bumper on. The only problem is I don't have enough bolts. We're gonna have to run down to Napa. Stand by, folks. I'm just gonna throw the bumper on here in the Napa parking lot. And that way, if I need any parts, Napa's right here. And that bad Larry's heavy, and this tree is gonna work out perfectly to hoist it on. I need 8 9/16 bolts, like 2 inches long.
Course thread?
Yeah. Good thing I got my Wreck-A-Wreck rope slings. Never really leave home without them. I'll tell you what, they wrap these bumpers up tighter than a tick's. This thing can fall completely off of a truck going down the highway and it'd be just fine. So rest assured your bumpers will show up, not damaged. Alright, grab the remote, babe. Yeah, snug it up. It's windier than a well digger out here today, folks. We need a place to put all this. Should we start a little fire right here? Alright, we got the bumper out of the back of the truck, unwrapped. This thing is a beast. I was excited about this bumper, but I'll tell you what, in person, camera just doesn't do it justice. Now I'm gonna run the old winch cable up over the back and we're gonna winch her right on there.
Hold it up in the air.
We should just use the front winch on this one, huh? Stand back, babe. Alright, go up a little. Putting bolts in the bumper, I'm not sure how we're gonna hold them in there though, because my wife didn't get any nuts. Now that's a bumper, folks. Y'all probably notice that it sits out a little bit. That's because I got frame extensions on here to get the bumper away from the tire so it lines up with my fender. Because I put such large fenders in it, I cut my wheel wells out, so I had to put bumper extensions on. I could have had Iron Bull custom make the bumper, but I didn't want them to have to customize my bumper. This is just a bumper for a 550. There's nothing custom about it other than Iron Bull made it. But see how perfect that line matches up? If I didn't put my extensions on there, the bumper would be sitting right here, where the stock location of the fender is. On a stock 350 or 550, the grill guard, the bumper, everything hugs the truck more.